Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a streamlined professional project and task manager right inside Notion. Plus, I'll hook you up with a free template so you can get started in minutes. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll not only have an elegant place to organize all your projects and tasks, but you'll also know how to personalize it to suit your own workflow, whether you're managing a solo side hustle or coordinating a team. Let's jump straight in. For this demo, we'll be using a free project and task management template from Notion's own gallery. That's one of the real powers of Notion. There's no need to reinvent the wheel when you can use a professionally designed template as your foundation. These templates look polished right out of the box, which means your workspace will look organized and credible from day one, and you can always tweak and customize things later once you get a sense of what fits your style. So, to get started, take a look at the top left corner of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the side menu with more options. If you're new to Notion, don't worry if things look a little busy here. Spend a moment getting acquainted with these menu options. You'll use them often as you build out your workspace. Now, in the side menu, look for Browse Templates. This is where Notion houses a whole library of ready-to-use layouts that can save you enormous time and effort. Click on that, and a template gallery will appear. Here, just type Project and Task Management into the search bar, and you'll see a selection of templates designed specifically for organizing projects, tracking progress, and delegating tasks. Take your time scrolling through. Some templates focus on personal productivity, while others lean more toward team collaboration. Choose the template that catches your eye. Don't stress too much about picking the perfect one right away. You can always change or adjust things later. When you've found the project and task management template that fits your needs, click into it. Then hit Add or Use this template. Notion will instantly copy the template into your workspace, and in just a few seconds, you'll have a polished dashboard ready to go. Now comes the fun part, customizing your new manager. Start by entering your credentials. These could be the names of your current projects, key deadlines, or important task categories you already have in mind. The template will provide fields for you, like project name, owner, status, due date, and so on. For example, if you're freelance, one project might be client website redesign, and you can break that down into individual tasks right here. Want to personalize it even further? You can easily add your own creative touches. Maybe change the colors to match your brand, upload a custom icon or header image, or even add a motivational quote to keep your team inspired. Notion makes customization really simple. Just click and edit any field. So don't be shy about tweaking things until it feels like your space. And that's really it. Your professional project and task manager is ready for action. You can track tasks, assign responsibilities, watch deadlines and progress, and keep everything organized in one sleek dashboard. If something doesn't feel right, just remember that you can always iterate and refine as your workflow evolves. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you set up your own task manager in Notion, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you run into any questions or want advice on further customization. Be sure to subscribe for more practical, step-by-step tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.